Hello everyone, my name is Jeremiah and I do want to present to you a software that I have been working on. So basically this software is a job application management system, but the cool stuff is unlike the traditional application management system, this one does incorporate a lot of AI technology, and the primary goal is to help you process your job application material faster than you would if you were to do it with your own cognitive strength. And it also provides you with a lot of tools that you could actually use to manage your job applications after you have applied, in order for you to feel like you are in control of pretty much everything. Because in today's job market, you pretty much gonna be applying for 100 and something jobs in order to get that, that one that you are looking for. So here's what the software does look like, the home page, and if you are new to the software, obviously you want to create an account. But if you already have an account like me, then you just want to go ahead and log in. You just want to go ahead and log into the website, and then it brings you to the home page. So for the home page, you can explore, you can check on pricing, contact, service, about, and you can actually go under account. You can look at your profile. You can look at your profile. Um, and then you can obviously you can change your password. You can subscribe, you can also update your background, you can delete accounts, you can add API keys, and you can also, yeah, so basically that's all we have on the account for now. And then the software does have something called job profile. So job profile is where you provide information about your job experience. So you go on that job profile, you can add your company, the title, as well as the start and the end date. But aside from that information, you also want to provide the software with all different kinds of projects that you have worked on, projects that you would probably include on your resume. Then you go under each of these jobs, and then you want to add projects. You add projects. See, it shows you projects that are under that particular company. You can add a project if you want to. You can add the title as well as the project description. And when you finish adding job summary, job profile, and job project, then the software also has something called career summary. Career summary basically take all this information, the job profile as well as the project, and then it provides you like a really cool story that says, hey, Mr. John Doe has worked with XYZ company, and under X company, this is how many projects he did. Under Y company, this is how many projects he did. So it gives you like a very quick summary of what your career experience does look like, and it does it on the fly. Unlike if you were to do it by yourself, it probably takes you maybe a couple days to be able to compile all those information for every time that you want to do it. So let's go here, and the question now becomes, when is the right time to use AppliFocus or this software? So you want to use this software right before you apply for a job posting and after you have applied for a job posting. So the goal is to help you process your application material. So let's come here, and let's say we come across this job posting by Wells Fargo and we like it. Before we actually apply, before we click on this apply, let's come here and process the materials that we're going to be using for this application. So we just come here, we paste, we go back here, we want to copy the URL link because down the road we might need it. And then we want to upload our resume, basically the resume that you would prefer to use for this particular application. You want to upload it. And then same thing applies to your cover letter also. Yeah, same thing applies to your cover letter. And once you have that information here, then you just have to go ahead and add. And then if we go to the back end of the software, you can see a lot of data processing is going on right now. The AI, artificial intelligence part of this software is generating content that you would need. Um, and part of these contents are like feedbacks, suggestions, Then you can also take a look at the structure of this software in terms of the code. You can see that a lot of work did go into this. Um, yeah, and right now it's generating for you follow-up message that you would send to, okay, and then, yep, after everything is processed, this is what happens, this is what happens. So we can actually go back again and process one more company. So let's process this company from North American Standards. Let's process this one. We go back here. We want to add a new application, or we can say process a new application. And then we paste it in here. We go here. We want to copy the URL link, basically. And then we paste it here. Remember, you're gonna need it down the road. We want to paste our resume, and then we want to also upload our cover letter. Then we want to add this application so that the software can process it. If we go back to the back end of the code again, you see a lot of data processing is going on. It does extract the contact person, if at all there is any, and then it gives you like this is like feedback for your resume. Um, yep, so it does all of this. So it generates for you a summary of your cover letter, as well as suggestion on how you can improve it. It does automatically generate follow-up email for you, and boom. So this happens again. Now we can go back to our home page, and it will show you all the different jobs that you have processed. It does save it for you so that you can make reference to it. Basically, everything that they will tell you to use Excel or Google Sheet to be able to manage your application, so you know what companies you have applied to. This company software does it for you. So let's click on this right now. See, you see it provides you like a job application detail, you know, and then this is like a job posting summary. It provides you the URL link so that you can always click it and go back to the actual posting. And then it saves your original copy of resume in the cloud. You can always, download it whenever you need it. It provides you like a comprehensive feedback, on how you can improve your resume. The same process happens under your cover letter. You see your cover letter, it talks about your strengths, your weaknesses. Then this is the advice for you to improve it. And basically it generates follow-up message for you, and you can also um, edit when you want that message to be sent. So let's say we go under our management of this particular application, we can update our progress level. See, you can come here, you can update, you can choose to update your progress level as you please. Boom, progress level has been updated. You can come here, you can look at the contact person, you can come here, communication. This is very cool. Let me show you. Right now we don't have any communication under that company, but let's say 1 week from when we applied, the company reached out and they say, hey Jay, we saw your your application and want to interview you August August 25th, 2024. And then I said, thanks, and I will be available See, and then I submit. See, it said the company sent a brief message to Jeremiah Ochepo informing him that they reviewed his application and would like to interview him on August 25th, blah blah blah. Jeremiah responded with gratitude and he is available and would like to do the interview. So basically, the way this works is every time you apply for a particular job and a company reached out to you and you want to save that communication, you can always go under here. You copy the email from the company, you paste it here, you copy your response, you paste it here, and then you add that application, that communication, and the software will process it for you. So I think that is like really cool because in the future, if you want to see the communication thread between you and the company, it's very organized and you can just, use it to your advantage. Another thing is interview preparation. So if you click on it, you see based on industry data, the software does provide for you interview questions in relationship to that particular job posting. And then it also gives you like a quick summary on information about that company. So yeah, you can repeat this process for as many job applications that you intend on sending, whether be it 50 or 100. The goal is to keep you organized. The goal is to help you process your job application material 10 times faster than you would have if you were to do it by yourself. And the goal is to help you manage your application even after you have sent the main application. Yeah, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed my little presentation.